Insiders, it's Lauren, and today I'm here at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort. We're gonna start by going in and getting some beignets, and then I'm gonna take you guys around the resort, show you guys the arcade, the lobby, shopping, and so much more. So let's go have some fun. All right guys, and it is November of 2024, so all of the holiday decor is up at this resort. But we're gonna head on in and get some beignets from Scat Cat's Club Cafe. As I was on my way to get beignets, I just spotted a bunch of really pretty holiday decor and I had to show it off for you guys. So they do have a children's seating area, as they do at all of the Walt Disney World resorts, and this one is adorable. And I spotted Lewis. Hi Lewis. Alrighty guys, we're gonna head into Jackson Square, which is the gift shop here at Disney's Port Orleans Resort. So we've got some Princess and the Frog merch here. Lots of Princess and the Frog merch, and as each Walt Disney World resort has, Port Orleans French Quarter and Riverside both have their own resort merch as well. So we've got some Tervis cups here, as well as here, a beautiful Tiana ornament, and then some of my favorite merchandise, which is the beignet all day. So I'll show you guys the ears in a second, but they do have a t-shirt and a cup. And then it is November, so we've got all of the Christmas merchandise in the gift shop as well. Alright guys, so they don't have the beignet ears here, but they do have the beignet loungefly, and these are scented. The back, I'll show you, just has a bunch of little beignets, Mickey beignets on them. And these loungeflies actually smell like beignets. They smell delicious. Alright guys, so the gift shop has plenty of things. We've got some of your stuff for your kiddos here. And then they definitely have a lot of park essentials, as you can see here, stuff for the pool. And then I'm gonna get to it, but they've got like snacks and all of your convenience things. If you forget something while you're traveling, they even have luggage, umbrella strollers, and then even your pull-ups and things like that, and medications here, which is also very convenient. You've got your snacks and goodies here, and then over here you have beverages, including of course Coke products, and then you've got some milk and some grab and go options here, water, and even some wine and select alcoholic beverages. And if you are staying at a Disney resort, these rapid fill refillable mugs are great to have. They are $22.99, as you can see here, and you can enjoy the refills of drinks, coffee, and tea at any resort self-service beverage location, and that is for the entire length of your stay. So because it is the holiday season, Port Orleans also has their own pin. And it's really cool because it opens up and has Tiana and Naveen on it, which is just adorable. Alrighty guys, we're here at Scat Cat's Club Cafe, where you can of course get your Mickey beignets. So we are gonna go get some Mickey beignets. We're gonna try the original, and then we're also going to try the gluten-free, because that is an option here. Alright, so we have gotten our beignets. These are the gluten-free, allergy-friendly beignets. And then I also have the regular Mickey-shaped beignets. both are very good options if you do have a gluten allergy. The gluten-free beignets are really a solid choice and very delicious, but of course, so are these. Alrighty guys, so as we walk outside, if you guys can see, there's a giant chess over there. At the Walt Disney World resorts, you do have plenty of recreational opportunities, and there's also a giant checkers game here. And then we're about to take you to the pool, which has plenty of opportunities for trivia and lots of games throughout the day. So there is a sign here before you get to the pool, which has the family activities on it. You can always ask a cast member what's going on daily, but this has all of your resort activities located here. And as you walk toward the pool, there are plenty of photo opportunities. Pictures with the alligators here are one of my favorite photo ops. But on the way to the pool, I'm going to show you guys the playground. Every Walt Disney World resort also has a playground. And this is the playground here at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. It's a smaller playground. I'm going to take you guys all the way around. Got a little rock wall. And then of course there's some benches here for you to sit while the kiddos play. And we're headed on out to the pool now. So there is a hot tub located here at Disney's Port Orleans Resort, and that's going to be through this gate on your left-hand side if you are headed toward the pool for reference. There is a pool bar located at the main pool here at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. It is called Mardi Gras, and it does have your standard cocktails, wine, beer, and then a lot of times they do have some light bites. They have some chips, Mickey pretzels, usually beer on tap, and then sometimes some salads or some sandwiches. And here is the main pool located right in the center of the resort. There is a sea serpent water slide there to my left. And then over in the distance there is a splash pad, which is one of the best splash pads in my opinion on Walt Disney World property. So I'm gonna take you guys over there as well. And then here's some beautiful scenery also located at this resort. And if you do have a room that is located on the back part of the buildings here at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter, it makes for a beautiful view for the sunrise. This is also a jogging trail. I'll show you while I'm here. And here's the aquatic play area, that splash pad that I was just talking about. It is pretty large and there is plenty to do here for the kiddos. My daughter, she is 4 and she personally loves this splash pad more than any of the other ones at Walt Disney World. So across from the courtyard over here, I'm going to take you guys to this seating area, and this is where the fire pit is, where they do nightly campfires, weather permitting, which is also something that's really cool for the kids. And then out here, they actually do movies under the stars, where they play Disney classic movies in the evenings. But here is the fire pit. And I believe that there are several throughout this resort. And just plenty of seating and areas for the kiddos to get out some more energy if they need to. So not only is there complimentary bus transportation at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter, but there's also the water taxi on the Sassagoula River, which does take you to Disney Springs as well as Disney's Riverside Resort. And this is located in multiple parts of the resort, but there is going to be a vending machine and then an ice machine in these little sections. And again, this is throughout the resort, but just wanted to show you guys what it looked like real quick. And there will be signs directing to each one. And then this resort also does have elevators for your convenience. So I wanted to show you guys this fountain with the frogs. It's a very unique looking fountain. Of course, this resort is themed after the city of New Orleans, so it definitely fits the theme. Alrighty guys, I'm going to take you into South Quarter Games, which is the arcade here at Port Orleans French Quarter. So let's go inside and see what they've got. So lots of gaming options here. They've also got a photo booth and even some massage chairs. And there's nobody in here right now. So you can do, it looks like they have a, so this is is how you're gonna get your tokens, and you can pay with cash or a credit card. And I think you can do your room key as well. But that's gonna be how you get your tokens to play the games. And then to the left of the lobby, there's gonna be a fuel rod station. I always like to point that out. You can buy, I think it's about $30, and then you can just continuously swap out, which is really, really helpful if you need a charger at the parks or at the resorts. And then there's an ATM here. And then for reference, that's gonna be right after you enter the lobby. Alrighty guys, now I'm gonna take you guys to Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory, which is the food court here at Port Orleans French Quarter. You can mobile order with the My Disney Experience app, or you can just come on in here and select your food or beverage items and then take it to the nearest register. There are plenty of grab and go options, as well as breakfast, lunch, and dinner menu items. Right now it is currently 1 p.m. so they are serving lunch, just to show you guys some of the options here. Right. And then these are some of the grab and go options, as well as the bakery options, and those are actually continuous throughout the day. Lunch and dinner is from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. and then in the morning, I believe they open at 7 a.m. So 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. there's going to be breakfast. During the holiday season, they generally do have specialty items like this mini holiday sundae. And then on the opposite side, there is a snowflake cupcake, and this is plant-based. So plenty of good options here for the holidays. And you can get these items at the bakery, which is located directly ahead for reference. Once you've received your food and beverage items, you can come over here. There's condiments, napkins, forks, an ice machine. I believe there's coffee and tea over here. And then if you do get those refillable mugs, you can use them here, of course. But there's the Joffrey's coffee there. Joffrey's coffee, that's always a hard one for me to say. And then there are plenty of seating options here at Sassagoula Floatworks. There are seating options both inside and outside, just to give you guys a quick reference. So once you walk out any of these doors here, you can also have the option of sitting outside. And I'm going to walk you guys through the lobby one more time, just because it's beautifully decorated right now for the holidays. And then there is the Scat Cats Club Lounge. That opens daily at 5 p.m. and closes at midnight. That's going to be located to the left of Scat Cats Club Cafe. Alrighty, so as I head out, I'm going to show you guys over to my right. For reference, if you're walking out of the lobby, which is going to be located right there to your right hand side, there's going to be complimentary bus transportation to all 4 Walt Disney World theme parks, including Epcot, Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom, and then of course Disney's Animal Kingdom, also Disney Springs, Typhoon Lagoon, and Blizzard Beach when they are open. And there goes one of the Disney buses as we speak. So you have the water transportation option here at Port Orleans French Quarter, as well as the sister resort, which is Riverside, and then you also have the bus transportation option as well. Alrighty, so as I head out, I'm going to show you guys over to my right. For reference, if you're walking out of the lobby, which is going to be located right there to your right hand side, there's going to be complimentary bus transportation to all 4 Walt Disney World theme parks, including Epcot, Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom, and then of course Disney's Animal Kingdom, also Disney Springs, Typhoon Lagoon, and Blizzard Beach when they are open. And there goes one of the Disney buses as we speak. So you have the water transportation option here at Port Orleans French Quarter, as well as the sister resort, which is Riverside, and then you also have the bus transportation option as well. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it here for me today at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort. Our link to talk with one of our Academy travel agents is down in our bio. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.